Don't you have any partner to chat with? Then I will tell you about a free and very convenient application. This is SpeakPal. SpeakPal is free mobile app designed to help you improve your English speaking skills by chatting with native English speakers.
First, go to the App Store and search for SpeakPal and download it. Now it's our turn to connect to our Google account and enter the necessary information step by step. You need to choose your level correctly because others will call you through it. From here, you can choose which level of partners you need. Application itself leaves only users of this level for you. You can also go to the profile section and fill in the necessary information if you want. Now our profile is ready to conversation. Okay, let's have a conversation together. The conversation goes like this. You can see your partner information on the screen. Use this application and improve your speaking skill. Bye.